I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Setting up an eSIM on your Google Pixel can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Open Settings. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Select Mobile Network. In the Network and Internet section, tap on Mobile Network. This is where you can add a new mobile plan. Step 3. Tap on Add Carrier. Choose the Add Carrier option. This will allow you to start the process of adding your eSIM. Step 4. Scan the QR code. Use your camera to scan the QR code provided by Freedom 2026. Make sure you have a good angle and enough light for the camera to read it properly. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. After scanning, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the setup. You may need to restart your phone for the changes to take effect. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check that your QR code is correct and that you have a stable internet connection. Good luck with your eSIM setup.